Welcome back to TakeApart. Today we have an iPhone 6 with broken screen and top microphone. Now look at the screen, those squares around the edges. Jesus, horrible. And Siri is not responding. Hey Siri. The top microphone doesn't work. Alright, let's turn phone off. And here is a brand new screen and brand new front camera, top microphone, SIM tray, 2 screws on the bottom. You're gonna need a suction cap and some plastic tool to open the phone. Gently open front screen. Use a Phillips screwdriver for removing the screws. Take the cover off and gently disconnect the connectors for screen, camera, home button and all that stuff. Here is the old screen. We need to remove the back plate, home button, 6 screws on the side and few on the back, Phillips screwdriver. That's a home button support plate. Disconnect the home button and remove back plate, home button. Speaker, front camera, put home button and a new screen, front sensor, camera, that's a camera plastic case, speaker, push it back on, put a metal cover on it, screw it on, remove the protection, put the back plate on a place, screw it on, connect home button and put the home button support plate. Tight all screws and boom, screen. That's basically done. Now connect connectors on a place. There is only one way to connect that, so don't mix it up. Put a cover back on, tight 4 screws and all is done. I will test it before, so yeah, it's working. And how about the camera? Good, camera is working. And Siri. Hey Siri. Siri can hear me, that's good.
Hello there.
Push the screen to the case and lock it with the 2 screws. Put a SIM tray and all done. Remove the front film. Boom, perfect. Please subscribe and we have a new Patreon page, so link in description if you want to support us this way. Thank you for the watching and see you in the next one.